So, nagtan na ako. Sikat ang aking guacamole dito sa Akumal, Mexico. Ayan, oh. 2 plates of guacamole. Diba guys, oh. 2 plates of guacamole for today. So, every day I have to make guacamole because it's yummy and I love it. Ayan, oh. Yan lang, mga ingredients niyan. Tomatoes, onions, lime, black pepper, and salt. And of course, main ingredients is avocado. Here you go, my very delicious guacamole made here in Akumal, Mexico. And we're gonna pair with eggs, boiled eggs. So it's gonna be very healthy and nutritious, the best. The very healthy organic avocado. Again, the ingredients of my recipe. Of course, you need avocado, 2½ avocados, 1 medium onions, red onions, salt and pepper, and tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, 2 medium size of tomatoes. So that's how you balance. And I use 1½ lime. It's a medium-sized lime. If you don't have lime, use lemon. 1 lemon or calamansi. Maybe 5 to 7 pieces calamansi in the Philippines. So this is my recipe. And you don't need any chopper. Use your hands and knife when you chop the onions and tomatoes. You guys, I still have leftover because I'm gonna use this for corn soup, and that one also, yeah, I'm gonna use that for corn soup later. This is the big spider here in our Airbnb. Look at that, oh. Hello, spider. Kakaibang spider, oh. Ang haba ng parang lamok. Yung kanyang galamay. Dalawang mahaba, oh. This big spider has 2 long sungot. Parang hito. Hello, spider. How are you, spider? How are you? How are you? Oh, takot siya sa akin. Hayaan ko na nga lang. I found looks like olive tree, but you know the it smells so good. It smells like sampaguita, and there's a fruit. That's the fruit. Wow, this is nice. This is our dinner. This is my dinner.
Yeah.
The other one.
Pickled onions.
Here you go.
Yeah, onions.
Oh, so what did you guys get?
Yeah.
I like the beets. It's sweet.
See, gracias.
So this is my
Diana has the black beans
dinner
for
for today.
cooking.
And facing on the ocean.
See, at first you're like, these black beans is like. Berlinda, have you ever?
Now it's around 6 o'clock here in Akumal, Mexico, and it's beautiful though. You can see this area. Those are the birds. They having floating things. I'm gonna focus the video there. Look at those floating things. So the birds, it's become their floating materials, and one of that floating thing, it's 1 bird, sometimes 2 birds, and they are fighting. It's nice though. Look at that. It's a net that getting the seaweeds in the morning. A lot of them seagulls. So I think tomorrow we're coming in this area here in Lolha to do the swimming, because in our area it's all rocky, sharp rocks. It's beautiful, tons of birds. Yan yung lambat na mayroong pampalitaw at yung mga lumilitaw na mga foam. Yan yung ginagawang tungtungan ng mga birds, ng mga seagulls. Different kinds of birds, not only seagulls. So in the morning here, it's very busy because a lot of people coming here to do the boat riding, boat tour, and fishing, or like snorkeling on the middle of the ocean on the other area. So they come from here. Sunset. Wala nang araw, nakapag-set na yung sun. So, Lolha Snack Bar. So, in the morning and lunchtime, this is the Lolha is open. And then this is in the next one, Lolha is for the evening, for the dinner. So this time, on dinner time, the Lolha restaurant is closed. And they opened another Lolha restaurant here. So we eat our dinner here. We have a very good papaya here. See, I tried to cut it and wow. Oh my God, it's only how many seeds? Almost no seeds. Look at that, guys. Wow. I like the seeds to get, but hopefully I can carry this. I want to plant this in the Philippines because this is big and almost no seeds. Look at that. It's like here, 6 pieces. Oh my God, it's only 8 pieces. Oh, on the other side. So, meron din siya sa other side. Ayan o. 8 plus, that one is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's only 18 pieces, the seeds. Oh my God. It's big, guys. Look. It's big. Good morning, Akumal. Good morning, Mexico. Yan na. Diba ang aming papaya? Ayan. Ang aming papaya na halos walang seeds. Ang seeds ay 18 pieces. I counted already. 18 pieces. Time to go to the
here, I'll
other
give you the
beach
key.
area for swimming.
Here it is. It's never too.
It's beautiful weather today, guys. It's very beautiful. So now we are here in Akumal Lolha Station. See Lolha. That's the Lolha, our favorite restaurant. So right now, a lot of people here swimming. And I'm gonna go swimming before I eat my lunch. Oh, it's nice. It's cool. It's very cool in this side. It's beautiful. Oh, and it's rocky here also. And a lot of fishes. Nice. See, it's rocky. Big rocks. So it's beautiful here in this area. Everyone coming here in this area. So everyone coming here in this area for boat riding, boat tour, or is snorkeling. Here, this is the boat going for snorkeling. Ang sarap mag-dip in sa tubig. Malamig. Masarap eh. Ayan. Kaihig na ako. Tinatamad daw pumunta sa CR siyempre. Ito na lang sa tubig. Dagdag pa sa akong paalat ng tubig. Tapos mamaya may inom bastos. Ang ganda dito sa taas nitong na to. Bato. Ayan guys. Ayan mabuhangin siya yung bato na to oh. Maganda siyang apakan, malambot. Malambot yung niya, yung buhangin dito sa bato. Ayan oh. Wala masyado isda dito. Yung maraming isda doon sa area namin kasi mabato doon sa amin. Madaling may mga taguan yung maliliit na isda. Dito kasi medyo malawak. Hindi masyadong mabato dito sa area na to. Hindi masyadong mabato dito sa area na to eh. Ganda eh. Mamaya tanggal ang ko. Ang patong. Masyado kasing mainit ngayon eh. So habang nag-aantay pa ako ng aming lunch, dito muna ako sa tubig. Ang sarap mag-dip in sa water na malamig. Mainit ang panahon tapos the weather is hot and then the water is cold. So that's a good thing. It's always fair. Oh. Oh, lamig. Ang ganda eh. Nakatupis na ako eh. Yan, lumabas na yung init. Ang linaw ng tubig oh. Wala masyado isda dito. No small fishes here. The fishes are stuck in the lagoon. The Siete Colores Lagunas. Sa beach, okay. That's what I was thinking. So this is my ribs with corn. I like the corn barbecue, and that's his burger and fish and cheese. Oh wow!
Some
I thought I'm getting French fries. Why it's not French fries?
katsu. Oh, he wandered off.
It's hard to see him. I feel sleepy after eating. Look at this one, the ayan oh, yung baby. Ang cute nila. Look at that. They are trying to find food. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Hello. Hi. Oh my God, there's a lot of fish, big fish here. Oh my God. Nice, looks like milkfish, but it's not milkfish. What kind of fish is this?
Bonefish.
Huh?
Bonefish.
Oh, bonefish. Wow, it looks like milkfish. Look at that, it's big. That's why there's ducks here. Trying to catch it. Oh my God, look at that. So many of them going under your boat. Hello, hi. They are not afraid of people. And these guys here, they are trying to catch it. It's going around me, the fish. Nakakatuwa guys, yung mga isda going around me. Nakakatuwa. Ang galing. Oh, ayun, meron pa. Ayun, ang batik-batik. Ayun, oh, yung parang sap-sap. Look at that. Oh, diba guys, ang ganda oh. Lumalayo tong mga sa akin. Ayaw nila. Takot siya sa camera. Hello. Hi. How are you? Ayun o. Nakakatawa tong mga duckling na to. Hi. Come on to mama. Hello. Sa gabi ang dami nila eh. Hi. Nilalapitan ko, lumalayo. Hello. Hi. Hi. Ang galing eh. Ang dami nila dito. There are so many at night time. Ayan oh. Iba-iba yung kulay ng mga beak nila oh. Yung sa ulo nila. Yung isa light yellow. This one golden yellow. Ah, you're listening to me. May pagkamaritis ka din ata ano. Are you a male or female? Do you wanna talk to me? Come on. I just wanna be friend of you. Come on. Yeah. Don't be scared. I'm not gonna catch you. I just wanna be friend. See guys, it's so nice. They are listening what I'm saying. I think they understand me. Yeah. Nakakatuwa eh. Ay, may mga tinik-tinik. Yung mga ano siguro to seashells. Saka yung seaweeds. Ayan yung isda. Oh. Sa po, ayan oh. Ayun, ang lalaki talaga. Oh, kamukha ng salmon. Looks like salmon, but I know it's not a salmon. Hey! Danny! Ayan. Ang daming nag-i-snorkeling dito sa area na to guys. So, snorkeling place are in this area. Ayun sila oh. Yan oh. So, you can do snorkeling all day. Look at these guys here. They like me. They coming to me. Itong tatlo lumapit ngayon sa akin. Kanina ayaw, lumalayo. Pag nilalapitan ko, ngayong lumayo ako sa kanila, sila naman ang papunta dito sa akin. Para kami nitong naghahabulan na. Sinusundan nila yung isda. Ayan kasi yung isda oh. Ang dami, ang lalaki. They are big fish. Maybe you can catch one. And then we can have barbecue.
Yeah, you can't do that here.
Yeah, a lot of people.
That's probably why the pelicans are here.
Yeah.
Probably trying to eat one.
Yeah, they're trying to catch the fish, this pelican, not ducks. Sorry guys, I was wrong. It's a pelican, not ducks. I thought it was duck kasi kamukha siya ng duck. Pelican. So many of these, tons of these.
Hey Kirby, where is the coolest?
Oh, my slippers! Hindi pa naman to. tinangay yung aking slippers. So, dinala ng tubig. Teka, mailagay nga dun sa gilid. Look at that. So many of them. Look at that. It's 10 of them. Oh my God. It's like dozens. More than dozens. Oh my God. They eating the seaweeds. So many. Oh my God. That's a lot. Sarap sana nitong i-barbecue. I wish I can catch one, but we're not allowed to catch anything here. Ayun oh. Ang dami. Hello, fishes. Ayun yung parang ano, may sungot-sungot. Ang ganda, yung parang may wings. Ayun siya oh. Parang may wings. Ang galing. Ang dami oh. Ito to oh. Yan ang ganda oh. Kamukha ng sapsap. Maputi. Kulay puti. Ano? Maroon tsaka yellow ang color ng palikpik. Maroon yung kanyang batik-batik. Maroon and gray. Ayan, dami oh. Ang galing. Iba-iba ang kulay. Ayun, kamukha ng mga salmon to. Oh. Ayan o, looks like salmon, but it's not salmon. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang dami nila. Ayan, that's why so many pelicans here because they wanna catch the fishes. Maybe I can catch one. So I can do barbecue. I'm gonna put in my pocket. But the problem, I don't have the pocket here. I should wear my short that has pockets. So after I catch one of them, I can put on my pockets. Grabe, nakakatuwa. Ang daming isda. Ang lalaki. Ayan o, kasama mo maglangoy-langoy ang ganito kalalaking isda. Kaya pala ang dami talagang nag-snorkeling. Yan ang reason. So that's why so many people is snorkeling in this area because of these. So many different fishes, guys. It's beautiful. Maybe try to catch one so we can have barbecue. See, in front of you, darling. Oh. It's big. It looks like a salmon. See?
Yeah.
They are not afraid of people. See? It's like they are happy seeing a lot of people coming over here. And the pelicans, they are keep coming because of this big fish. One fish, it's gonna feed them the whole day, I guess.
Hey. Hi.
Look at look at your big face. It's filled with on the camera.
Say something positive to me.
It's positive. Look at that. I like that big fish though. So many big fish. So many big fish here. Circling around me. Maybe I can catch one and do barbecue later. Different fishes. I saw the golden color also. Yeah, sina. Ayan, ang ganda. Dinadala ako ng tubig eh. Ano, daming pwede kang mag-ano dito yung boat na di motor at saka pwede kang mag-kayak. Of course, you have to pay. And we have our own palapa or tent, pwesto. Ayun o. So, ayun yung ating area. At I don't know how much per bench. We rent this bench. So, yan ang ating area. Ayan sila. Isang grupo. Ayan, tropa-tropa sila. Tonto sila magsumama sa mga tao. Oh. Ang dami. At ayan naman ang mga pelican nakabantay. Oh, di ba? Ayan, oh. Nakabantay sila sa kanilang biktima. Sa kanilang huhulihin. Ayan. Ay, lumabo yung tubig. Marami na kasing pumunta dito. Doon ako sa kabila para malinaw ang tubig. Malabo dito. Lumabo. Kapag maraming pumupunta, lumalabo yung tubig kasi gawa na ng mga seaweeds. Hanap tayo ulit ng ng maraming isda. Ayun, yun. Oh. Ay, nakakatawa. Ang daming seaweeds dito. Ayun, no? Nakakatawa eh. Ayan, lalaki, oh. Siguro kung mga 2 pounds ang isa nito. Yan o, ang daming nag-i-snorkeling. Ayan o, ang daming nag-i-snorkeling guys. Oh. Nandiyan kasi yung iba-ibang isda dyan sa ilalim niyan. Ayan o. Super dami ng seaweeds kasi dito guys, nakukuberan yung yung mga sand ng seaweeds. Kaya every day, every morning, tinatanggal nila ang seaweeds. It's so many tons of them, right? You see? A lot of them. It's like they are happy swimming with the people. Look. And the pelicans also are happy. Can you hold a little bit? Let me see if I can catch one. Hello. Hi. Oh, you're scared now. You know that I'm coming to you. Oh my God. Hi. They know that I'm trying to catch them. They don't want to be catched. They just want to
No, they just want to hang out.
Yeah, they just want to swim with you. They know that you are
Go.
It's our second to the last night here in La Buena Vida restaurant. Good life. It's a good life. La Buena Vida.
Yeah.
Just kind of showed up.
Guwapo talaga nito. Guwapo. Whole family.
And the drama director wanted me to be a part of Frozen. Like he was like,
Guys, it's just besides the ocean. We're sitting on our table beside the ocean.
because like told me like 3 times, and I couldn't get up.
Ocean view and very windy today.
And it's not. It's not a credit. Yeah, just do it for fun. So I'm like, okay, like it shouldn't be an issue because it's not credit. I don't have to be enrolled for it or whatever. But it's not a secret that I'm old, and it shouldn't really be an
Night
issue
here in La
unless they're
Buena
like picky
Vida.
about it.
Just don't
Because
tell them you're
tomorrow we're
going to do
going
it.
to Cancun,
They-
closer to the airport.
People know that
For
because it shouldn't be an
our
issue.
last day on
It
Monday.
is an issue.
On
No,
Sunday.
wait, no,
We're
no,
going.
because
I'm going back
they
to
were
Canada
talking
on
about
Sunday
the
early
drama
morning.
class. That's a credit. This is not a credit.
So I'm going to say this one last time.
Your
Get in
drink?
trouble. That's on the director.
I know, but like,
What do you call your drink?
but what?
Your drink?
Shirley Temple.
Yeah, was that Shirley Temple?
Yeah.
Wow.
I was
That's
confused.
It's
the,
non-alcoholic.
wanted a beautiful
that's
shot
the
of it.
first time I heard it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
My
yeah,
limonada,
it's not an
puro.
issue, it's
And what do you call yours?
Miami Vice.
Are you sure Miami Vice or
Yeah.
Pina Colada is strawberry?
They call it Miami Vice. It's half strawberry, half pina colada.
Okay, Miami Vice. Okay. So here, all the houses, apartment, going down there. So our Airbnb is down there on that area, on the end area. You see that guys down there, the white over there. There you go. The pelican catch again another fish.
It's not fair.
Ang sarap guys ng hangin sa La Buena Vida restaurant just beside the ocean, di ba? So, the ocean breeze is so beautiful and refreshing, relaxing. Actually, nakatulog ako dun sa labas ng Airbnb kanina. but I couldn't find any coco or young coconut to eat and drink. Kasi ano lang to, maliit na lugar. Very small town yung Akumal. So, ayan. Sarap dito sa restaurant. Ito yung paborito naming restaurant. La Buena Vida. It means good life.
Yeah, they just did
Only you make that.
I outside. Like, it's like in the grass, and it has warm, sunny vibe.
Dami nila, oh. Pili ka na.
It's like, it's like here right over there.
So we're going upstairs because it's very cold, the wind. It's nice in here upstairs though.
Ah,
And
yes.
you can still see the ocean view. Yeah, it's nice. No wind here. Nice.
Much better.
Food's almost ready, and they know that we're up here, so it's
Yeah, that's our table before. It was very windy and cold.
It's a lot better.
Yeah, it's better. No air.
We would have enjoyed our dinner.
So this is the design here upstairs. Fishes made of steel. So many fishes here. You don't have to go to the ocean. Piranha, ayun o, may piranha o. Piranha, ayan yun o. Piranha design o.
Alright, we got light.
Yeah, because I think more people coming here upstairs. Buena Vida Especial Platito Seafoods. And let's see that one. What is in it? There you go. The surprise coming out. Oh, nice. That's so yummy though. I like that one.
Damn.
Wow. Snapper. We call that escabeche in our language. So this is the La Buena Vida at night. Very colorful. Nice. Tumakbo kasi may sasakyan. Yan. Bye-bye La Buena Vida. So many stars. There's a one big stars over there. And that's the moon quarter over there. So that's the quarter moon. And those a lot of big stars and small stars. You wanna go upstairs? On the rooftop?
I don't think so.
Nice. You're gonna see all the stars from the rooftop.
Maybe once it gets a little bit darker,
See?
so we can like actually.
Those are
see
the
it.
stars. So many stars. Yeah. Later, around maybe another 2 hours. What a beautiful sunrise today. It's our last day here in Akumal, Mexico. Look at the sunshine. There you go. Masyadong maano tumatama sa akin sa ayan ah. Ayan ang sunshine guys. Oh. Ayan, nasa ano ko talaga na harap ng aking pagmumukha.
Hi.
May big giant. Yung big giant. So, last day, Saturday, tomorrow, early morning is my flight going back to Canada. So, going to the beach now. Magdidip ako sa ocean water. At ocean water ay dadalhin ko sa Canada. Nakadikit sa katawan ko. Diba? Ayan, ang ganda ng araw. Oh. No, tingnan mo, parang ano, yung drawing ng araw. Oh. Parang pamaypay. Ayan na. Diba? So, I'm just getting the vitamin D for my body. I need vitamin D. So, I don't have to take vitamin D vitamins. Early morning, maririnig nyo dito ay ang mga huni lang ng ibon. Ayan, oh. Ayan, lulukso na naman si Inday dito. Ayan, oh, lulukso na naman siya dyan, pababa. Ayan. Beautiful sunrise. I haven't put any sunblock on my face because it's still early in the morning. So it's only 6 o'clock in the morning right now. The sunrise is 5 o'clock in the morning or 5:30 in the morning. Wow, the big pelican. Natutuwa ako sa mga pelican. Ang dami nila kumakain ng mga isda. Ang lalaki kasi ng mga isda eh. Ayan. Pag gabi at night time, yung tubig ng dagat umaabot dito oh, pag gabi. Yan. Pag high tide, abot siya dito ang tubig ng dagat. Kaya ang lakas, rinig na rinig talaga yung waves ng ocean sa gabi. Kaya hindi ako makatulog eh. Sarap mag-ano dito. Maglakad-lakad. Uy, ang lamig ng tubig. The water is cold. Ayan. I don't wanna use my water shoes kasi mababasa siya eh. Pupunta na kami ng Cancun. Ang daming isda oh. Maliliit. Dito sila nagpapalaki pag malaki na. Ay, mababasa ang camera ko. Mababasa ang camera ko sa tilamsik ng tubig. Ang lakas. Ayan. Sarap. Basa na ako talaga nito maya-maya. Ayan, magtampisaw muna. Magtampisaw sa tubig alat. Sarap ng hangin dito. Fresh air. Ooh, basa. Teka, yung mata ko. Naano ako sa araw. Sabi sa Bicol, nasusula. Ayan, oh, di ba? Yan lang malabo, natilamsikan ng tubig yung aking sunglasses. Ang lakas kasi ng tubig. Ang alo no, ang lalakas oh. Ayan pa oh. Oh. Oh, 'di ba? Lakas, tama talaga sa akin. Ganda ng mga corals dito. Yung corals na nakuha ko nung isang araw, nakalimutan ko. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman nun, parang kamay. Teka, puntahan ko nga uli. Sana nandoon pa. Ay, kinilas ko na laglag. Ayun o, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng corals. Oh. Ay, hindi ko makuha to. Ayaw. Ito sana, maganda. Dapat pala nagdala ko ng pang-tipak. Ayoko naman magdala ng mabigat. Maganda sana yung nakuha ko nung isang araw, yung kulay fuchsia. Kasi ano yun eh, magaan. Ay, pangit naman to. Ayoko ng pangit. Teka. Ito maganda. Parang pakpak, oh. Kunin ko nga ito. Maganda na ito pa. Yung isa yung parang kamay. Sana makita ko uli. Ayun, may maganda. Tika. Kuhanin natin to. Ay, nakadikit. Hindi pala makukuha. Ito maganda. Kaso mo, mabigat. Ayan, no. Mabigat nga lang. Parang 1 pound ang timbang nito, eh. Ayoko magdala ng mabigat. Ayan, no. Ganyan ang mga itsura ng corals dito. Ang gaganda. Lagay muna natin dyan. Dyan muna, mamaya. Pagbalik ko, kasi maglalakad-lakad pa ako. Ayun, may maliit. Ay, pangit. So many oka or susu here. Uy, masarap ng tubig dito. Maligamgam. Wow! On the other side is cold. Here is nice, warm. Tingnan natin kung ano meron. Ay, wala. Ayun. Ayan. Itong ganda, oh. Kaso ang laki. Ang bigat niyan. Wala na yung corals ko. Nakulay po siya. Siguro may kumuha na nung isang araw. Nakalimutan ko kasi. I'm trying to find my corals that looks like palm that parang sinuklay. Kaya lang wala na siya dito. Nakalimutan. I forgot the other day. Last week. It was at Saturday. The first day here. Now it's our last day, 9th day. Tomorrow it's 10th day. But tomorrow, we're flying back early in the morning. Nawala yung corals ko. Ang ganda pa naman nun. May pumulot na siguro. Ang ganda sana nun kasi ang gaan. Wala na. Or tinangay siguro ng tubig kasi malakas ang tubig sa gabi. Ayan. Naman mga corals. So, ayan, mga corals yan, oh. Ang gaganda, di ba? May nangunguha talaga yata dito ng corals. Lakas! Last day, last day, last day. Last day, today, Saturday, and sunrise. Yan. I come out early morning just to get a vitamin D for free. Diba?